Yeah, man, we're gonna have a link to the extension in the description, and people can use it for free. There's limited usage, but like 1,000 users is quite a lot. But what is the use? Like, is it a session time or just like maybe this would kind of help those who want to start
Yeah,
and they're like kind of see.
basically when you
Mhm.
pull up an ASIN in the extension, that would count as a use.
Mhm.
But a
That's
thousand
decent,
is
man.
a lot.
That's yeah. I would say for a beginner for sure, and even for
Yeah.
those who are, consistently checking for products, it's a decent amount, about 30 per day, right? If I'm counting right, a bit
Yeah.
more
Mhm.
even. So yeah, man, and also we're gonna have a special link to get a 25% off for 3 months of Smart Scout. Works with the monthly, with the yearly plans. I think it's a good kind of discount. And I also want to ask you, man, quickly, does the extension work on multiple product pages where we have a search for those, what's that, marine radio? If we type in marine radio, will we see statistics for all the marine radios?
Yeah, no, it does not work that way as we're, used to other software.
Hmm.
That type of research is more so done inside of our actual tool.
Hmm.
So
For that,
to
I
answer what
guess
you
we
get,
can refer the first video with Scott where we use like the brands tool and
yeah.
subcategories tool, which are the ones I believe you're referring to, which help with kind of product research of a niche, let's say.
Yep, absolutely.
Hmm.
Yeah, brands tool, subcategories tool. SmartScout is very powerful as far as market research, understanding the macro and the micro.
Hmm.
It's a different approach. It's hard for people to kind of switch from the hey, this is how you do things to hey, this is how you could do things, but it is very powerful. It's how big brands think. They're not
Interesting.
necessarily super excited. Like they don't really care as much about a single product doing well as they care about dominating a category, and that's kind
Ooh.
of the approach that SmartScout helps see the data on.